Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue blank screen with HDR. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. I will show you 3 methods to fix this issue. Method 1. Go to settings. Select settings icon from top. Go to device preferences. Go to display and sound. Go to advanced display settings. So here you can see allow game mode. If you have enabled game mode, first you have to disable it. Let me disable game mode. You can press OK button on the remote, OK or select button on the remote and disable game mode. So this is a method 1. Just to disable game mode, if you have enabled HDR 10 gaming or HDR 10 plus gaming, you just disable it. That is option 1. So let me go to method 2. Method 2. So you can try new HDMI cable. So it is a method 2. Buy new HDMI cable and try. Method 3. If you are using HDMI splitter or HDMI switch, this is because of that device, HDMI switch or HDMI splitter. You can just remove that switch or HDMI switch or HDMI split, then you can try. So these are 3 methods which you can try and fix this issue. Option 1, method 1, disable gaming mode. Method 2, try new HDMI cable. Method 3, try without HDMI splitter or HDMI switch. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.